Hello YouTube, I will be unboxing this CaDA C61041. They call Lamborghini Centenario or Lamborghinis Centenario. So yeah, this I got from Your World of Building Blocks. It has about 3,800 parts plus. Unfortunately, it doesn't come in its original box. The original box is beautiful. I'll have a picture here for you guys to see. But they sent this in a smaller box. All of the packages are there, as you can see. And I think it's a lot cheaper. The manual is very good, very detailed. I'm already at the second manual, total of 4. I'll be posting videos on this coming soon. I'm expecting to finish this in a couple of days or even weeks. It's a slow build, a lot of hours, but as you can see, although it didn't came with the original box, it feels like everything is here. I mean, so far I go through the set number 1, 2, and 3. I mean the bags, and none of these bags were missing any single part, which is very good. The stickers that they sent here, of course, does not have the Lamborghini stickers. It has a slightly different sticker, but that's fine. I'm very happy so far.